Good morning, students. In this video we are going to learn about Lami's theorem. First of all, let us know about the definition of Lami's theorem. It states that if three coplanar forces acting at a point are in equilibrium, each force will be proportional to the sine of the angle between the other two forces. Let us draw a diagram for this Lami's theorem. What the definition is saying that from a point three forces are acting. P, Q and R. That in the definition itself it is telling that if three forces acting at a point are in equilibrium, the three forces are said to be acting at a point O, are said to be in equilibrium. The each force will be proportional to sine of the angle between the other two forces. Means if we are assuming for P, if we are taking the angle as alpha, and for Q if we are taking the angle as beta, and for R if we are taking the angle as gamma, the alpha should be act opposite to that of P in between the other two forces. As we are taking for Q the angle as beta, the beta should act opposite to that of Q in between the other two forces P and R. As we are taking for R the angle as gamma, the gamma should act opposite to that of R between the other two forces P and Q. The definition is telling that if three forces are acting at a point are in equilibrium, each force will be proportional to the sine of angle between the other two forces as said in the diagram. Let us complete the proof for this Lami's theorem. Let us consider three coplanar concurrent forces P, Q and R acting on a body at point O. Let us complete the parallelogram OABC as shown in figure. And we can obtain the resultant R dash OB. Since the body is in equilibrium, R dash must be equal to R. Let us consider three coplanar concurrent forces PQR acting on a body at point O. PQR forces acting at point O. Let us complete the parallelogram OABC. O A B C. P is the force acting on OA and Q is the force acting on line OC. As OA is parallel to BC, the force P can be applied on BC. As OC is parallel to AB, Q force is also applied on AB. The resultant force, we are having three forces, Q here, and the opposite force is R dash. In the second one, let us complete the parallelogram OABC as shown in figure, and we can obtain the resultant R dash here. Since the body is in equilibrium, R dash must be equal to R. R dash should be equal to R, as these both are said to be in opposite directions. From the triangle OAB, angle A plus angle O plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees.